This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels. Remove the wheel centre trims. Slacken the wheel bolts. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Support it on axle stands. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Undo the wheel bolts and remove the wheel from the vehicle. Fit the tool to the coil spring and compress it. Now undo the shock absorber top mount bolts and remove the coil spring from the car. Undo the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and withdraw it from the car. Remove the cap, unscrew the nut from the top of the piston rod while holding the piston, remove the upper mounting bracket and bump stop. Recover the collar from the protective sleeve if the bump stop is to be replaced. Locate the components removed from the top of the shock absorber in their correct order and screw on a new nut. Tighten the piston rod nut to 25 Newton meters or 18 pounds-feet and fit the cap. Locate the shock absorber in the rear wheel arch, then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten by hand. Install the lower mounting bolt. Position the jack and raise the suspension so it sits at the correct ride height. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the correct torque. Lower and remove the jack. Install the still compressed spring, making sure that the lug on the lower spring seat engages in the hole in the lower transverse link and the lower end of the coil spring abuts the stop on the seat. Locate the upper seat in the lug on the underbody. Tighten the shock absorber upper mounting bolts and then tighten them to the recommended torque rating. Now angle tighten the upper mounting bolts to the recommended settings. Carefully release and remove the spring compressor. Refit the wheel and loosely tighten the bolts. Raise the vehicle using a jack, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel bolts, then refit the centre wheel trims. Remove the chocks from the front wheels.